A very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Dear students, today we are going to start the third part of our chapter 13, that is motion and time. So before starting the chapter, I hope that you have learnt about all the good manners which I have taught you. So now let us start chapter 13, that is motion and time, part 3. Today we will go through the simple pendulum. That what is the simple pendulum? Dear students, a simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball called a bob, which is suspended by a long and non-extensible thread from a rigid stand or support so that it can swing freely about its point of suspension. For example, you can see here a simple pendulum and the different positions of the bob of an oscillating simple pendulum. So in this, the upper vertical line which you are seeing is a point of suspension. Total length you can take capital L, and the bob is here, that is A, O and B. So dear students, the length of a pendulum you can take capital L. It is the distance from the point of suspension to the center of the bob. The mean position means M, capital M, you can take the mean position is the position of the bob when the pendulum is at rest. The extreme position is you can take E1 and E2, means A or B you can take are the position of the bob where the distance of the bob from its mean position is the maximum. This is the difference of the bob from O to A and A to B. Now what is the motion of a simple pendulum? Dear students, when a bob of a simple pendulum is moved slightly to one side from its mean position and then it is released, it moves in a to and fro motion, and these are called oscillations of the pendulum, and the motion is called the oscillatory motion. Now what is the oscillatory motion? A periodic motion in which the object moves to and fro about its mean position is known as an oscillatory motion. What is the oscillatory motion? The periodic motion in which the object moves to and fro about its mean position is known as an oscillatory motion. See here the example of the oscillatory motion. A girl is swinging from its mean positions to and fro and coming again to that first place. So it is a oscillatory motions. So dear students, you have learned today about the simple pendulums, the motion of the simple pendulum and the oscillatory motions. Now what are the terms associated with the simple pendulums? So first is the oscillation and amplitude of oscillations, time period and the calculating time period of a pendulum. So what is the time period? The formula of the time period is the total time taken to complete oscillations divided by number of oscillations. From this we can take it out the time period of a pendulum. So time period is equal to total time taken to complete oscillations divided by number of oscillations. Now dear students, revise whole the concept carefully which I have taught you, and soon we will meet in the next chapter of this subject science, and the next chapter is about the electric current and its effect. So revise all the concept, and soon I will send you the exercises and the solutions of this chapter in your WhatsApp group. Till then, take care and goodbye.